OPENSHOP is the 5th lab space in the Open Labs exhibition, where we'll be featuring research from Trinity College. We'll be bringing in artists and designers from the greater Dublin region to share their own creative and hybrid research. We'll also be taking all the tools out of the exhibition space itself and unpacking them here, letting the visitors pull them apart, stick wires where they don't belong, and experiment with the tools that are made in Open Labs from around the world.
Mediators based in Science Gallery are going to be working in the OPENSHOP, showing you how to use and build some of the tools. There'll be 3 different types of workshops that will be taking place. We'll have a thinkshop, which is exploring some of the problems and solutions that we want to develop as part of this exhibition. We have talkshops, where we will have experts, such as researchers based in Trinity, where they'll come in and talk about their research and get input from the public to generate consensus-based solutions. And we'll also have workshops themselves where people will be able to get hands-on and to build some of the tools that we featured in the exhibition.